So let's take a look at the process required for replacing the stop lamp switch on a 2010 Honda Accord. So I'm outside the vehicle right now, but you can see I've got my new stop lamp switch and also the little retainer clip that holds it in the bracket. This new unit came with both pieces. So I'm just going to illustrate a little bit here before I go underneath the dash. You'll see on the new unit here, we've got a couple sides here that have some ribs. Those are going to help lock the thing in place. So we've got the retainer collar here, and this is going to get mounted in the bracket. And then I'm going to insert the switch here and slide it through all the way until the plunger is depressed up against the brake pedal. Once it's to the desired depth, now I'm going to rotate it just a little bit clockwise. That's going to lock it in place. And then I'll make my electrical connection and the job will be all set. So to remove it, I'm simply going to turn it counterclockwise, pull it out of the vehicle. I'll replace the retainer clip, and then we'll do the install process. So hopefully that gives you a little better illustration outside the vehicle. Now let's jump underneath the dash and see what we can find. Okay, so we're underneath the driver's side of the dash, and you can see I've got the brake the stop lamp switch in position here. So you can see as I'm pressing the brake pedal, you can see the plunger move. So I'm going to try and do this by viewing on the camera and depressing and releasing the electrical connector there. Now I'm going to grab my old switch, turn that counterclockwise, and remove it. Now I'm simply going to take a screwdriver and get the old retainer clip out of here. And then I will come back in with a new retainer clip and we'll do the install process. Yeah. I've swapped out that retainer clip. Now I've got my new sensor here, and I'm going to attempt to get it lined up in the hole here, and we'll push it in. So it's depressed the plunger there, it's up against the brake pedal, and I'll lock it in place. So now as I press the brake pedal, it's going to release the plunger. And we're going to make sure that it's working properly. So once that's all set, plug in my electrical connector. I'm going to test with an assistant to make sure the brake lights are working properly. But hopefully now you understand exactly what it takes to replace the stop lamp switch on a 2010 Honda Accord.